Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest and he's my homie. Let's go up.
What's up, monkeys? What? We're literally monkeys, bro.
Okay, yeah, I get it. No, we're gorillas. Get it right.
What? Okay.
Hey guys, so
just to let you know, we're both
I didn't say this. Yeah, we're recording. I didn't say this right now inside of the intro, but this is gonna be a speed run for Animal Company. Stop doing that.
Oh no, I ain't doing that, bro.
Anyways, so yeah. Alright, come on, start. Come on.
Oh shit.
Alright, grab all of the stuff you need. Come on. We're
I'm
so
pretty sure
the first thing I think we're gonna do.
Wait, in this video, there's gonna be no pausing. Everything's there, so nothing's staged.
No pausing.
Everything's not staged.
Devs only let us go behind in the time. So yeah. So I think the first thing we should try and beat is the mine.
I actually do not have a flashlight, so I actually ain't going.
Oh yeah. Let's get flashlights. Hold on.
Want to put
Grab my monkey.
Alright, there you go.
Alright.
What the fuck?
What? Bro, you took my rocket.
No, it's mine.
Come on.
Nigga, yours is right here. Fool, yours is over here.
I don't care. Come on. Alright, come on, guys. So now, before we start this, we're just gonna go to the entrance real quick, and then I'm gonna put the timer. I'm gonna count down to 3. Alright, 1.
Alright, we got lines.
2. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Timer starts. Both, no pausing. Come on.
For this,
No more
we have
pausing.
to get to,
Bro, did they make mines? Like, I swear to God, they made mines something. Aiden, come on. Wait, no, your name's not Aiden. Noah, come on.
Let's go. Oh shit. We need to try to get to the helmet.
Come on. Oh, shoot.
Man, that's a punk ass spot. Let's go beat that fool up. Unless you're scared. If you're scared, I'm going. I got you on revive, bro.
Shoot.
Alright.
What the hell?
I got you, bro. Bro.
Make cherries. Make sure.
Come on, Coda.
Cherry. Should we kill him?
Alright, I'll take this one. I'll take the spider nigga.
Alright, I'll take this guy. I got a lance. I don't want lance.
Ooh. Here, you come up, Mickey. You already have one on my back.
Oh, wait, hold on. Alright, come on. Oh, we're cornered. Alright, come on.
Here. For you. It's free.
Alright, come on, bro. We can't be wasting time. Come on. Although that is a huge lance. Do not take that.
Bro, this is like, oh, never mind. That's just hella heavy.
Ooh. Can't go over there. Shoot. What are you doing? Come on. I think I found the way over here.
Nice, beautiful purple gems, bro.
I guess if it's wasting time for purple gems. Oh yes, we made it to the centerpiece. Come on.
Let's go.
Ah, shoot. Right there. Come on, bro. We're supposed to be speedrunning this. Come on.
This one's worth it.
It's really not. Come on.
Yes, it is. Look, it's literally a grapple hook. Where you at?
Fine, I guess.
It's this way. It's literally this way.
Oh, spider.
I got you. On that. I got you.
I think you forgot how to block.
The boo boo. Here, you could have this. because you don't
I'm
got-
good. I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good. I'm good.
No,
I'm
grab a
good.
hook.
I'll grab a hook. I'm good.
Oh, this way, it's this way. I'll sell that way.
Bro, we have to go to hell. Come on. Did we make it? Shoot, where are we? Yo. Come on.
Bro! My teleport gun's missing.
We made it to Vault 26. Shoot, come on, bro.
I'm stuck.
Come on.
Cheesecake.
I'm coming.
Cheesecake.
Just keep on moving.
Can't leave you behind, bro.
What the hell? Noah, where
Yeah.
are you?
Over here.
Come on, move.
And here now.
Come on. Woohoo! Where? Come on.
Over here. What the fuck? Oh, he disappeared. Oh.
Come on.
This is not like the way to hell, bro.
It's not.
It doesn't look like. Never mind, I'm tripping.
Hey, what's up here?
Made it!
You made it.
I need to take the state.
No, you don't.
Yeah, it says the boo boo. It says
Well, I forgot where to go.
The boo boo legs. Shh, down here.
Hey, bro, watch out for the hell demons.
I know they're a little funky.
They'll explode on you, boy.
I don't care if they know me.
Yeah, we do not have enough army for that.
Bro, just like hide in these rocks. Oh, heck no!
Me boy! Go! Aiden!
I'm good!
I'm making it to the heart.
I'm already over there!
Oh, no. Oh, we did it. Alright, yeah, we did that. No, hurry up, bro. The timer's still ticking. Come on. Should I just leave him? Come on. Should I just leave him, bro? I should just low-key leave him.
I'm making it out of. Oh, did you make it alive?
I'm here. Come on.
Where you at?
Down here.
I'll see you.
Come on. Over here. Over here next.
Boo corn.
Bro, don't be saying stuff like that. Remember, I'm recording. Go to forest. Oh, shoot. This way, maybe. No. Come on.
Fucking eat it, dumbass.
The holy grain.
Bro, what the fuck?
What that? What that?
I kill it. Kill him.
What the fuck?
Yeah, heck no. Some
The
weirdo
hell?
dude out there.
What is this? Oh, there's some weirdos down here.
Oh, yeah, money.
And a flashbang.
Ooh, lollipop.
Whee! Oh, another one.
Lollipop.
Wait, hold up. What if I touch him? I
Lollipop.
touch him. What the hell? Aiden! What's wrong with me?
It's shadow rubbing, and my name's not Aiden either.
Noah, what's happening? Aiden,
It's
Aiden, my
shadow,
arm.
bro. You don't gotta leak me. It's shadow for you.
Bro, what's happening to my arm?
What the fuck?
Look at your hand.
What the fuck?
Oh, hell no, I'm out.
Oh, damn, bro.
Oh, no, I'm running. Oh, hell no, I'm running. What the hell?
Oh, no.
Alright, I'm out of force. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, bro, come on.
I fucking saw.
What's this?
I got blown up. Where are you headed?
I found a weird orb. It kind of distracted me. Oh no, let's go towards the big lake. The big lake. Go to the big lake.
Okay, dude.
What the hell is this? What's this? My freaking uncle's basement?
Ooh, Ed.
Aiden! It's your freaky no. Shadow, it's your freaky uncle's basement.
Oh yeah, it's Grandpa's basement. Except that it looks just like this, except that there's a lot of little kids in it.
Yo, what? Yo. Shadow. Alright, that was just a waste of time.
What do you mean? What
What's
the
the-
fuck? There's nothing in here. It's dragon eggs.
Come on. No. No, I'm trying to be inside of a weird.
Follow.
Bro. Don't be leaking me either, alright, bro?
I mean, like, your name is not Apollo.
I know my name's not Apollo, but since I leaked you, do not be leaking me.
Oh, this is your favorite place.
Yeah. Tiny, where are you, Tiny? It's Tiny, bro. What's up, Tiny?
Where are you at? Hello.
I mean, yo, bro, does this count?
What you mean? Oh.
Does it count? Go to. Always wondered. What happens if you hit the go-tos?
Nothing.
I thought it was gonna give you gold or something.
He's on recording, nigga.
Come on. God, come on, bro. I hate this.
Nothing. Where you at? Where the hell you go?
Just keep on going, bro. It's gonna waste me some time. Yo. Now the nation that I love has fallen under attack. The mighty sucker punch came calling in.
Yep.
Oh fuck.
Rubbington, I'm fucking recording.
Remington.
Okay,
Hey,
well, shut up.
to the guys that are watching,
Cut the video.
to the guys
What
that
the
are
fuck
watching.
up?
Are you good?
Man, this fucking bitch ass nigga is shooting me. I swear, if she don't stop, then I'm taking away her iPad.
For the guys that are watching Shadow's videos right now, I know your name is Remington. I know it. And I can prove it.
Yo, whoever's name is Sam, get the fuck out of here.
Bro, I'm pretty sure no. Yo, what the fuck? Oh, this is the worst part. I hate this part.
Pito in my butt.
Aiden, you know I have a fear of this, bro.
Bro, just call me Shadow. My name's not even Aiden, for fuck's sake.
I know, bro. I know.
Larry, you ready to go walk over there and say hi to them?
What the fuck?
Joke's on you.
Oh, Aiden. Oh, what the fuck? No. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Let's go. Hey, please ignore my sister, everybody. She's freaking being sister.
Bro, hurry up, bro. We have to do this. Come on. I forgot. I had the key for that. Aiden, wait. What's up there? Aiden, wait. What's up there?
Shadow. Oh, it's a barn.
Let's go.
You can't go to it. You can't. Just don't bother.
Can't. Alright. Alright, come on. Let's go. Over here. Over here, follow me. Come on.
Follow.
Shadow, come on, Shadow. Yo, this is your creepy grandpa's basement. This is your creepy grandpa basement. Yo, it's the OG sewers.
Sewers?
OG sewers.
Bro, I remember getting stuck down here all the time.
No, but no, it is the OG sewers.
Yo, let's go.
And then trying to go back up, and
I remember when I was like literally so buns, I'd always freaking.
and then whenever you finally got up, the game just glitched.
I'm gay.
I died. Hey, don't worry. I just exploded that eye. I just exploded the eye.
Donkey.
Come on, bro. No, bro, it's donkey.
Oh, donkey.
Shh, bro. No one needs to know that I'm blowing up these eyes.
Arigato. I swear I'm gonna get you right. One more fucking drug, I'ma pass. One more drink, I'ma pass out.
One more drink, I'm gonna pass out.
One more drink, I'm not.
Come on, bro. Over here.
If I don't get one from you, I have to be on.
Aiden,
If I take 0 damage from him, then my girlfriend's gonna be dead.
No, over here.
Wait! I need this back.
Over Over here, Noah.
Sorry, I need to get some.
Alright, so
I got scared for a second.
me too.
This is for my cover
I'm in the ground.
Oh, I forgot about the timer. Let's go check.
Noah!
Oh,
Noah!
damn! Oh, shit!
You keep on killing me, bro.
Bro, wait, I'm pretty sure I didn't revive you. And then I hit you. What happened?
Yes, bro. Whenever you spawn in for being dead, you have literally
Oh,
almost
it's this
zero
game.
health.
It's the game one. Three.
Oh, hell no. I hate
Ref.
those games.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! How the hell did I miss that?
What the fuck? Well. Hey, bro, can you come for me? It's the obby. It's the obby, bro. I love OG sewers. I love OG sewers.
I hate OG sewers.
Why?
Oh god, if I die, I'm leaving the game.
Hey, bro, do we go through that one or do we go through that one?
Fucking, I don't know. Damn it, I hate niggers, I hate niggers.
Well, I'm gonna at least. Yes, I did it. Aiden, I did it. Aiden, I did it. I did it, Aiden. Come on. Where'd Aiden go?
Damn it. I died,
Bro, we finished it, bro. We finished it. Come on. We finished, guys.
Oh, speedrun?
We finished, guys.